Hi everybody and welcome back to Active Adventures.
We're here in the Active Adventures house. Father's Day is on its way. We're going to make a Father's Day breakfast for our dad.
Breakfast? Yes, I love breakfast. I love bacon, and I love bacon.
Well, you're in luck. We're going to make bacon, eggs on toast, and pancakes.
Yes, I can't wait to eat it. It sounds delicious.
Wait, we're not going to eat it.
What?
It's Father's Day. It's for our dads to eat for breakfast.
Leave it a little bit.
No, it's all for our dads to enjoy.
Alright.
Well, it sounds like Brendan's ready, and I'm ready, so
Let's go on an adventure.
So we're here in the Active Adventures house. Father's Day is here. We're going to make Father's Day breakfast for our dads.
Yeah, for our dads. Hey, Trav, so we've got everything we need.
We do. This is our pancake mixture, and I've got the recipe to lead us to what we have to do.
So what's the stuff? So we've got
Self-raising flour. We've got 2 eggs. We need 1 each. We've got caster sugar, milk, butter, and our mixing bowl. And our whisk.
Oh, is that what this thing is?
It is.
Oh, I can't wait to use this.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, our flour, according to our recipe, 1 cup. So, I'll get my cup sorted, and I've got my sifter. So what I want to do, I don't want to make a mess, so I'm just going to carefully open it. Carefully open it. Alright, 1 cup, so I'll gently pour it in over my sifter, just so I don't make a mess. So,
Being careful takes a long time, Trav.
it does take a long time, but it saves time on clean up time.
Alright.
So I'll sift one. Nicely sifted. Alright, so our next ingredients. 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. So 1 tablespoon. And there you go, Brendan. Next ingredient. 1 egg, lightly beaten. Okay, so mixing bowl, my whisk. I'm going to gently crack the egg on the bench. And pour it in.
Where's my egg?
There's your egg, Brendan.
Oh, 1 egg.
Alright. Okay. Did you just squeeze the egg to break it?
I'll go to the chickens.
Yeah, chicken coops that way. Don't let the chickens out. Come on, Brendan. Alright, I whisked my egg. Now it's time to add it to my mixture. Brendan should be back really soon. Oh, you found the egg?
Yeah, I got 2 because last time the shell was really weak, so I just wanted to make sure these shells were really
Alright,
soft.
smart.
So what do I have to do?
So we got 1 egg, lightly beaten. And I'm going to move on to 3/4 of a cup of milk. I've got 1.5 cups here, so all I need is half of what we have in here. Alright, a little bit more. 3/4 of a cup of milk. So the rest will be yours, Brendan.
Righto, so what do I need to do now?
So 3/4 of a cup of milk, that can go straight into
In my bowl?
mixture.
My bowl? So 3/4.
3/4. So what is in there is 3/4.
What?
Brendan, that's actually the strainer to sift your flour.
Well, what am I meant to be using
There
this?
should be a bowl with it. Like,
Oh, a bowl. One like this.
exactly, so it will sit in there, and it's perfect.
Oh, right, well,
And
I'll save this. This looks delicious. Beautiful.
Alright, so our next step might be to clean up, but we're on to the butter. Okay, so we've actually done a little bit of a cleanup. Brendan was spectacular. Now I'm going to cut my 50 grams of butter and ask it to be melted, so I'm going to put it in the microwave just for that little bit of time. And Brendan, you've got to add your egg
I'm going
mixture.
to add my egg and then give it a little whisk to get out of all those lumps in there. So come in and have a look. Oh, this is yours really thick as well, Trav? Oh, let's got to break that shell up. There we go.
Alright, and next up, Brendan, you'll need 50 grams of butter. As you can see, it's actually got the labels on the side to know how much to cut. I'm actually giving mine a gentle
Before, that label doesn't help me at all. I'm just going to guess it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
gently melted butter.
Now, Trav, did you take your butter out?
Yeah, I took it out and put it in the microwave for 22 seconds.
In the microwave?
Yeah, it asked it to be gently warmed.
Oh, warm.
Alright. It looks like my mixture is ready. Well, come on in and have a look, team. Yeah, nice smooth consistency. Perfect to put on the stove. Brendan, do you want to show yours and we'll get the oven started?
Yeah, just getting close. What was that word? Consistency.
Consistency, so smooth. Alright. I think we're ready to cook our batter and get ready for our bacon, eggs on toast.
Can't wait.
Alright, so it's time for the bacon and eggs. And what I've got here, I've preheated, so it is ready for the bacon to go on. The bacon's going to go on a bit earlier than the eggs, but this might be a job for Mum and Dad.
And while that's going, I'm going to go get the toast ready.
Oh, the toast, perfect!
Righto. I've got some really special bread for Dad. It hasn't been cut yet, so I get to cut it myself. Now he likes really thick slices, so I've got to get the bread knife. This knife isn't working. Trav, this knife's not working.
That's a butter knife. It doesn't have a serrated edge. What you want? The bread knife.
And this is serrated?
Serrated. So it's got sharp edges, so it gets a nice clean cut.
Ah.
Maybe cut out that from this end now.
Oh, righto. Oh, I serrate this knife.
Alright. Now ready for the eggs now, Brendan?
The eggs?
The eggs.
Come on.
Okay, so the bacon is just about complete. I'm going to keep it warm and put it just to the side. Now it's time for the eggs. And boys and girls, this is probably something that you can help. And Brendan, you can help too.
Yes!
So,
I'm good at cracking eggs.
what I've got my egg rings. Now, I'm going to add some spray just so it doesn't stick to the side.
What's an egg ring?
The egg ring makes sure that the egg stays contained and cooks in a nice circle. So I'll place these on gently. I'll do my egg for my dad and I'll let you do your egg for yours. Gentle crack and pour in. Perfect! Alright, Brendan, your turn.
My turn. You know what? These egg rings kind of remind me a bit like basketball.
It is like basketball.
Yes! Get rid of the shell.
Yeah, get rid of the shell.
Dad's gonna love that.
Yeah. Come in and have a look, guys. Alright, so bacon and eggs. Perfectly complete. That's what I've got to do. Gently pick up the egg ring. Hopefully it's held its form. Perfect, look at that. Alright, I'm going to gently scoop up my egg. Underneath, gentle scoop. And, oh, we have a clean, circular egg. Come on,
Mine looks like that.
And I'll get my 2 slices of bacon for Dad. 1, 2. Alright, I'll go wrap some foil on this in a second. Brendan, do you want to grab your egg?
Righto,
And
so
egg ring.
egg ring first. Oh, there's a bit of egg out there.
There's some egg.
I need that for Dad. Can Dad take egg rings?
Okay. Oh, I don't know about the egg ring,
Alright.
but definitely the egg.
Alright, so put that over there.
Alright, come in and take a look then.
Look at my egg. It kind of looks like a... I don't know what it looks like. Looks delicious. There. And 2 bits of bacon. 1, 2. Put them there. Dad is going to be so happy with that.
Turn the stove off. Now all we need is the toast. Brendan, what happened to the toast? Wait, what's that sound?
Toast is ready.
That's the smoke alarm.
Oh, the toast. Ah, it must be done. Turn it off at the counterpoint. Ah, perfect. That's going to be so... Look at that. Right, so I get 2 pieces of toast. What's next, Trav? You liked it well done.
Did you ask our dads about well done? Oh, well hopefully they like it. So, I've got my butter knife. And I'm going to gently apply smooth scrape of butter on top of mine.
There are 2 types of knives. So there's a butter knife and a
Serrated, that's right. There you go. Butter knife. So I've actually wrapped mine in foil just to keep it warm.
really spreading here.
Alright. Okay, so that'll stay nice and warm. I might pop it in the oven just to maintain that temperature. Wow, we make pancakes.
Oh, I'm gonna make pancakes still. Yes.
Alright, let's go get set up.
Let's go.
Okay, so I have my pancake mixture ready to go. It is nicely whisked. It's time for me to pour it in. Come in and have a look, team. So I just want to have a gentle amount because you don't want to make it too big as you want to be able to flip it. So I've got it on a medium heat and I'll just let that cook. Brendan, do you want to come and get yours?
Alright. Right, so I've got my whisked batter, I believe it's called now. That's a tiny pancake.
You got easy to flip for Dad to eat.
Boring. I'm gonna go a big one. Gotta get that butter out. Hang on, it's sticking a little bit. There it is. Look at that pancake. Dad's gonna love that.
Alright, it looks like my pancake's just ready to flip. As you can see, I've actually put butter down beforehand just so it flips easily. I want to gently get under it, flip, and there we go. Alright, Brendan, your turn.
Right,
I'll step out of the way.
Yeah, Trav, how come you haven't got a big lump of butter like I do?
I followed the instructions. 50 grams of butter.
Right, so when you see little bubbles, is that when you flip it?
Yeah, that's right. The little bubbles tell you when it's okay to flip.
Like those little bubbles there?
There's a couple of bubbles.
So I flip it. It's not flipping. Ooh, hang on. Oh, yes. Look at that.
Okay, my pancake is ready to take off. Oh, nice and smooth on the plate. I'll put my plate to the side and I might make one more for Dad.
Righto. Well, I'm only making one big pancake, but I think it's pretty close to done. So I'm going to put it on this plate. Come in and have a look. Oh, he's going to love this. My dad loves butter.
Alright, it looks like my second pancake is ready to flip. As you can see, it's got lots of little tiny bubbles on the top, which means it's ready to flip. Oh, look at that pancake. My dad is going to love his Father's Day breakfast. After this, I think we're almost done. Just got to get some orange juice and we're ready to serve. Alright, so our bacon and eggs and toast is ready. Our pancakes are ready. Now, all we need is a glass of orange juice. And we're in luck. Our orange tree at the back is fruity. Come on, let's get the oranges.
Oh, Trav, I'll just clean up a little bit in here first, okay?
Okay, I'll start looking for oranges.
Come, Trav.
Alright, so we're in the Active Adventures backyard at our orange tree. And from the looks of the oranges, oh, even though it's winter and it's the perfect time, they're just not ready to pick yet.
Trav, what about these ones down the bottom here?
Oh, they must have fallen off. Maybe a possum knocked them off. I don't think they'll be ready, Brendan.
Oh.
No, I think they're going to be too bitter.
Well, what if I use these ones? And
What would I use?
Trav, there's an orange right here you can use.
Orange juice? Alright, well I'll use the orange juice. Come on. Alright, so we've got our orange juice. We've got the rest of our meal. All we've got to do, present it on the plate for Dad. I'm going to get started. Hey, what happened to my pancake? That looks like a bite mark.
No, that was the moon pancake you made.
I don't remember a moon pancake.
Oh.
They look like Brendan's teeth. Oh, hide it underneath.
I'm gonna make the juice.
One piece of toast. One
Orange.
circular egg. And bacon.
2 oranges, a bit of garnish. Oh.
Right,
Now time to present the toast.
orange juice, give it a shake. Fresh from the tree.
Egg. 1 piece of bacon for Dad. 1 piece for me. And the egg.
Oh, maple syrup. We can't forget maple syrup. Brand new, so it's still got the cap. I think our dads are gonna love this breakfast. Just Not too much, just a little drizzle on top. There we go. Alright, I'm going to set Dad up at the dining room table.
Some for Dad, some for me. Some for Dad, some for me. Oh, my dad loves outside. I might set mine up outside.
Alright, breakfast for Dad. Knives, forks. I think this is almost complete, except one more thing. Here we go. Dad's favourite episode of Active Adventures. Mountain bike riding. Oh, Brendan. Alright.
So I've set Dad up outside in the sun because he loves that. I've got his bacon, eggs and pancakes, orange juice, and I'm going to set him up with his favourite active adventures. Our very first one, camping.
Well, thanks for joining us today on another Active Adventures. We had so much fun making a Father's Day breakfast. So what have we done today? We've made pancakes, bacon, eggs, and squeezed our very own orange juice. Well, all we've got to do now is clean up.
Clean up.
Well, thanks for joining us today. Be sure to hit like and subscribe on our YouTube and Facebook. Brand X Active Adventures. Let's clean up. Hey, I got chicken. You didn't let them out when you got the eggs, did you?
The chicken's out. No.
Alright, let's clean up.
Clean up.